Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, March 21st, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Forex market actually, and what is the situation on the economic calendar for today. Some data had been published during the Asian session. We got data from the Japan export trade balance data. All of them beats the expectations. Data from the Australia mixed bag, a little bit better, a little bit worse. Definitely unemployment rate is going down from 4.1% to 3.7%. Unemployment change going up from 15,000 to 116,000 jobs. More data during the London session. We got the speeches from the Vice President Buch at 9 o'clock. Then we got speeches from the SNB. There's one more speech. Buch now. Okay, so we have the speech from the President Buch. Then we have the interest rate decision from the Swiss National Bank. 9:30. As you can see, the forecast is 1.75, and the market expectations is that this interest rate will be at the same level of 1.75%. Germany manufacturing PMI data are expected to be released at 9:30, together with the services PMI. Swiss National Bank press conference will take place at 9:30 as well. Very busy morning. Even the Norwegian Central Bank will give a interest rate decision as well. 10 o'clock we got the PMIs from the Eurozone, manufacturing, composite and services PMI, together with the ECB economic bulletin. Then the PMI data saga continues. We got the PMI releases from the UK at 10:30, composite, manufacturing and services PMI. Then we got the Bank of England interest rate decision, scheduled for release at 1 p.m. Market participants expect the interest rate to be left untouched at the level of 5.25%. So we should see no change by the Bank of England. Meeting minutes will be released at the same time as well. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index from the US is scheduled for release at 1:30, together with Philly Fed employment, initial jobless claims, and that's it. Data from the Canada new house price index at the same time, 1:30. Then at 2:45, we got the manufacturing PMI, composite PMI and services PMI data from the US, and 15 minutes later we got the existing home sales. Plenty of data for today. Interest rate decision from the Mexico, scheduled for release at 8 p.m. At 9:30 there is a Fed's balance sheet, and then we are going to finish this day with the data from the New Zealand Westpac consumer sentiment and trade balance data. That's plenty of the data today. Two interest rate decisions, Swiss National Bank and the Bank of England. So please stay focused, stay vigilant. There's plenty of things to cover for today. Nevertheless, we are going to start with the overnight session, and we will take a look at the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen has beat the last technical resistance, which was located at 150.89. Now the swing high is 151.82, almost 100 pips, and the pullback occurred because of the extremely overbought market conditions on the 4-hour chart. So we got this pullback towards the 50 periods moving average. So let me just place this this horizontal line for the to mark the swing high, local swing high, and of course we can mark even the intraday technical support. Intraday technical support is located at 150.27. Momentum is still strong, it's still positive, it's bouncing from the level of 56. Very nice rebound, very nice reversal here on the RSI. Very nice reversal on the market. Nevertheless, it's still looking very bullish. So US dollar to the Japanese yen should see more upside soon. Because of the data from the Swiss franc, let's take a look at the euro to Swiss franc. Euro to the Swiss franc, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, is moving up, so there is a secular uptrend. And as you can see here on the daily time frame chart, we are going up from the levels of 9,257. So this is the technical support. We broke above the level of 9,472. Now that's the other technical support that was tested. We have the bullish cross as we approach the key technical resistance. This resistance is located at 9,684, and there's one more just slightly above 9,692. So just ahead of the decision, we are trading just below this supply zone. As you can see, last time we hit the supply zone, we have the new swing low into the extremely oversold conditions. Now the market conditions on a daily time frame chart are extremely overbought. It's a very nice trend, but we might see some sort of the rejection here unless there is some unexpected move from the SNB. Nevertheless, please stay focused, keep an eye on the current situation on the euro to the Swiss franc. Cable, what is cable doing ahead of the interest rate decision? So let's just zoom in. ABC corrective pattern had been completed at 1.2666 as expected, so free wave decline had been done. We can remove our labeling right now, and we are starting to move higher. This movement to the upside has hit the supply zone located at 1.28. Nevertheless, there is something even more interesting in the recent development on the cable. We got the wave 1 to the upside, ABC, clear free wave pattern in the wave 2. Now it looks like the wave 3 to me. We are waiting for the wave 4, and maybe there is a wave 5 to the upside to be done very, very soon. Let me just zoom in a little bit closer. Now the key level here to keep an eye on is this level, the high of the wave 1, 1.2731, because the wave 4 cannot overlap the wave 1, and if the wave 4 will not overlap the wave 1, this impulsive cycle is valid, and we can see another movement to the upside towards the upper channel boundary. Momentum is strong, momentum is positive. Everyone is waiting for the Bank of England interest rate decision. Please keep an eye on this situation. It looks like the market wants to do some kind of a correction here in the wave 4 and then continue higher. So the upward movement on the British pound hasn't been finished yet. The target, the technical target for the wave 5 is located inside the supply zone, 1.2863, 1.2893. So that's the British pound. What we didn't cover yet, maybe some gold as well, because of the yesterday's Fed. So after the Fed, we got a new all-time high on gold. That's on the clearly visible on the daily time frame chart. Local technical support is 2,194. All-time high was made at 2,222. Now, please notice the fact that we are trading above the extremely overbought levels, right? So on the RSI indicator, daily time frame chart, but we can clearly see there is a bearish divergence between what is price doing, swing high, and another swing high, and what is the momentum doing, swing high, momentum high, swing high, momentum lower. So this is the bearish divergence. We might see some sort of the pullback, some sort of the downside movement very, very soon. The technical support is 2,194, and then the key support is, let me just even make it more visible, is this level here, the old swing high, 2,143. Any breakout below the latter one would likely mark our temporary top at the level of let's say 2,222, and then we can even retrace more of the last swing to the upside. And last but not least, let's take a look at the mostly traded cryptocurrency in the world, which is of course the Bitcoin. I would like to focus today on this situation here. on a daily time frame chart, which is very, very important. Look at this. We went down 17, almost 18% towards 60,775, and then we bounced and we got the bullish engulfing pattern on a daily time frame chart. Let me just remove the price markings. There you go. Let me just mark it as the technical support. There you go. So this one didn't actually work that well, so let me just remove these levels here. So again, there is a first indication of a possible uptrend resumption as we went down from the extremely overbought conditions very, very nicely. Bearish divergence, new swing high, lower high, very nice bounce from the level of 50, and now we need to break above the 60 level of 60 on the RSI, above the 50 periods moving average on the daily time frame chart, above the level of 68,936, back towards the 70,000 zone to confirm the up trend resumption. All right, so next target for bulls, $75,000. This might be the first indication bulls are in charge of the market, back in charge of the market after 18% correction on Bitcoin. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.